70483 spark plug boot pliers. A lot of time when the engine's running, you might need to remove a spark plug boot for some reason. You can have upwards of 50,000 volts running through a spark plug. So if you touch it and it happens to have a crack or something in there, it's going to travel through your body. So it's just an insulated pair of pliers to
Did that to a lawnmower once.
remove the spark plug.
So what do you say to hold this, darling?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So you can check for faulty cylinder or something like that. Find out which cylinder is by using these rather than your bare hands. So
Is that a good one?